So good morning, 19 CS 402 Database Management System, second year, fourth semester. Unit 5, Physical Storage and Mango DP, and topic number 2, File System Organization. So this is a file system organization. What is file system organization? This main objective of file system organization: optimal selection of record, that is, record should be accessed and fast as possible. Any insert and update and or deleted transaction on the record should be easy, quick, and should not harm to others. No duplicate record should be induced as a result of insert, update, or deleted. And records should be stored and differently so that cost of storage is minimal. So this is a file system organization. We have three type of process. One is sequential, indexed, and direct. And indexed, we have two type of process: sequential block indexed and non-sequential full indexed. And sequential block index have two type of process. One is ISAM hardware dependent and VSAM hardware dependent. And direct process, we have two type of process. One is relative address, another one address hash addressed. So first, sequential file organization. The sequential file organization is that typically used in procedural programming such as global languages. And that file organization, the organization permit direct access to individual record without scanning any other record. There are two type of process, and hash address and relative addresses. And hash address, the individual record accessed by converting the logical key into the relative record. For example, you take my register number. My number is 7, and before once checking 6 is available, and after checking of 8 is available. After you can allocate in database server. Relative address, individual records are accessed by using of logical key value equivalent to the relative record number. For example, you take a medical record. My number is 24. Once you are checking whether is 24 available in medical record. If not available, and collect the data and take one file and put the data as insert into the file, and number you can write a number 24 after insert into the medical record room. This is one of the example. So indexed file organization, and the organization is hybrid approach allowing the both sequential operation of both sequential processing, though not as efficiently as a file sequential file organization and individual record processing, though not efficiently as a direct file organization and non-sequential full index. This index approach has an index entry for every record in the file. The sequential block index, the index approach allow an index entry to represent a block of record by sorting an index value, and because multiple logical record may fit into the single physical records. An index sequential access method based on your approach is one where index structures link directly to the actual structure of the disk drive in terms of number of value, cylinders, and tracks as per cylinders and sectors per track. The virtual sequential access method index approach is one where the index structure is independent of the disk drive and architecture and is therefore more flexible, though it tends to be slower in the process. So this is sequential access: record 1 here, record 2 here, record 3 here, and a record n minus example. New record cannot be inserted after third record in the field. So you can record fourth one, fifth one, and record number n minus 1, record number n minus 2, and record n number of process. This is the end of the file. The new record can be added only to end of the file, but cannot enter the next one. One by one, you can process. Not enter into the randomly cannot insert in the record in the sector. The file is called sequential file when it is contains a record arranged in the sequential fashion. This is the advantages: simplicity, less of overhead, and disadvantages: difficult in searching, lack of support of query, and problem with record selections. This is one of example. You could take a library, first book number one, and next by book number author number three. So I have searched book number three and going to book number three and going to 10 and 10 and n number of process. This is the pointer selection method you can implement in your database server. So pointer is a record, a special field where the value is address and reference of the another record of the same file. The author number and first book 001, second book 002, the book number 1 001 and 002 and n number of book in the area. Indexed organization and indexed in the table of record arranged in particular fashion by quick to access your data in the sector. This is a break, please. So this is direct access method. We have a non-hash file and hash file. A non-hash file is based on it is record number slot, and the hash file or record number itself become an equivalent of the primary key. The direct organization is a permit to direct access to individual record without scanning any other records. And all records in direct file are same size. Every record has an associated record number. The record number serves the same purpose primarily in the index file. This is my evaluation. List out the file system, answer, sequence, indexed, and direct.